Hello everyone, welcome to Abhipedia. My name is Abhishek Sharma and we are continuing with the basic concepts in economy series. So today we will be taking up Global Investment Trend Monitor Report. Essentially, this is the report given by UN Conference on Trade and Development, and it helps us in tracking the FDI investments throughout the world. And in India, what is the situation of FDIs? Where is it going? In UPSC prelims, they ask questions with respect to which of the following sectors have been attracting the highest FDI in India. So like that, it is most of the time the answer is services sector these days, because that is the highest FDI attractor for the Indian economy. So these kind of questions we have to deal with in pre. Moreover, in the world over, what are the trends with respect to your FDI flows? So these are gauged by this particular report. Okay, so within this report, Global Investment Trend Monitor report given by UNCTAD, the developed countries have been shown to receive lesser foreign direct investments as compared to developing countries. Within developing countries, there is an increase in the South Asian region, but within the South Asian region, Pakistan and Nepal, these have gone down a bit in terms of FDI receipts in 2019 as compared to 2018. And India in 2019 has been able to attract $49 billion in terms of FDI as compared to $42 billion last year. Okay. Now, more than this, India is in the top 10 place and services sector is attracting the highest FDI that is coming into India. Moreover, the report also talks about the mergers and acquisitions. So as it is, the mergers and acquisitions have decreased in India as compared to the previous term because of struggle happening in the European Union and the Brexit. So because of this, there is a lesser number of mergers and acquisitions happening by foreign investors in Indian economy. So this is the data that this particular report reveals. For prelims purposes, you should primarily know who is creating this report. This is the most asked question. Second, what is this report for? And third, what is India's situation with respect to FDIs? So thank you so much. Hope this has been useful for you, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the updates related to basic concepts of economy and their current application as well. Thank you so much. All the best.